There is a name that has become almost synonymous with luxury travel and world-class hospitality, and that name is Hilton. For over a century, Hilton Hotels has stood as one of the most recognizable and respected brands in the entire hospitality industry. What began as a single hotel purchase in a small Texas town has grown into a global empire spanning more than 120 countries and territories, with over 7,000 properties and nearly 1 million rooms worldwide. The story of Hilton is not just about buildings and beds, it is about vision, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of making every guest feel at home, no matter where in the world they happen to be. The journey started in 1919 when Conrad Nicholson Hilton purchased his first hotel, the Mobley Hotel, in Cisco, Texas. Conrad was a sharp businessman who recognized that the post-World War I era was creating a surge in travel and commerce across the United States. He saw hotels not just as places to sleep, but as engines of economic activity and community connection. Over the following decades, he expanded aggressively, acquiring and building properties across major American cities. By 1946, Hilton Hotels Corporation became the first hotel company to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange, a milestone that signaled just how serious and substantial this enterprise had become. Conrad's philosophy was simple but powerful: fill the earth with the light and warmth of hospitality. Hilton has never been content to simply maintain the status quo. Throughout its history, the brand has introduced innovations that fundamentally changed how the hospitality industry operates. Hilton was among the first hotel chains to install televisions in guest rooms, a feature that seems ordinary today but was revolutionary at the time. The company also pioneered the concept of airport hotels, recognizing early on that travelers needed convenient accommodations close to transportation hubs. Perhaps most significantly, Hilton launched one of the first hotel loyalty programs, Hilton Honors, which today boasts over 170 million members globally. This program transformed the relationship between hotels and their guests, turning occasional visitors into loyal, long-term customers who earn points and rewards with every stay. One of the most impressive aspects of Hilton's modern strategy is its incredibly diverse brand portfolio. The company does not operate under a single banner, but instead manages a collection of distinct brands, each designed to serve a different type of traveler. At the luxury end, you have Waldorf Astoria Hotels and Resorts, offering some of the most opulent experiences available anywhere in the world. Conrad Hotels and Resorts cater to sophisticated global travelers seeking contemporary luxury. For those looking for upscale but approachable stays, there is the flagship Hilton Hotels and Resorts brand. DoubleTree by Hilton is known for its warm chocolate chip cookie welcome, a small gesture that has become iconic in the industry. Hampton by Hilton and Hilton Garden Inn serve the mid-scale market, providing reliable comfort and value. This strategic diversification ensures that whether someone is a budget-conscious backpacker or a high-powered executive, there is a Hilton brand ready to meet their needs. As the world becomes increasingly conscious of environmental responsibility, Hilton has stepped up with a genuine commitment to sustainable operations. The company launched its Travel with Purpose initiative, setting ambitious goals around reducing carbon emissions, cutting waste, and supporting local communities. Hilton's LightStay platform is a proprietary sustainability measurement system that tracks energy, water, and waste performance across all properties globally. The company has pledged to cut its environmental footprint in half by the year 2030, a bold target that reflects serious institutional commitment rather than mere public relations. Beyond environmental goals, Hilton invests heavily in its workforce, consistently ranking among the best companies to work for worldwide. The combination of a rich founding legacy, continuous innovation, a diverse brand portfolio, and a forward-thinking approach to sustainability positions Hilton not just as a leader of today's hospitality industry, but as a defining force shaping its future for generations to come.